Hi everyone. So we started how to check inconsistent or consistent. In our textbook, we did already started the third question, how to compare ratios and check whether the pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent. See, take your textbook page number 45. It's everything is written. You can mark down that pages also. A pair of linear equations which has no solutions is called an inconsistent pair of linear equations, and a pair of linear equations which has two variables which has a solution is called a consistent pair of solutions. See, if when you are getting consistent pair, if a pair of lines are intersecting, you will get one solution, then it will be consistent. If you are getting no solution, when there is no solution, then the lines, when you are drawing a graph, then the lines will be parallel, then there is no solution, then it is inconsistent. So we already discussed one. Question 1, question number 3, first option we discussed. There how you got, it is just you got that it is consistent. See, because the lines are intersecting, there you got a1 by a2 not equal with b1 by b2. So this is consistent. Here the second one we are moving and we are checking whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So for understanding consistent or inconsistent, how to check, listen video properly. See, I am writing the second option. 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Here a1, b1. A2, B2. C1 is written here. So when we move to the left side, it will be negative 8 and negative 9. So like that we have to change our question. 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. When you, this is our standard form. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. To become the standard one, you have to write into the left side. Like that the second one also. We did the same in our first question. 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now the same thing we are doing. How to compare? We can compare the A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. I am writing here on board. A1, you can also try with me. A1 equal to 2, B1 equal to minus 3 and C1 equal to minus 8. A2 equal to 4. C2 equal to minus 6, B2, A2, B2 and B2 equal to minus 6 and C2 equal to minus 9. So here what we are doing is A1 by A2. What is A1 by A2? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. And B1 by B2 is B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 6. Minus 3 by minus 6. And C1 by C2. How we will get C1 by C2? This is C1, C2. 8 by 9. Minus 8 by minus 9. Minus 8 by minus 9. So as I said before, we have to write the shortest form for each one to compare it is. So A1 by A2. 2 by 4. We can cancel it to 1 by 2. And here also negatives will be cancelled and we can write as 1 by 2. So I am writing here 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. And here it is negatives will be cancelled and you will get 8 by 9. See, now let's check A1 by A2 is, check your answer. You got 1 by 2. Here also you got 1 by 2. Means which is equal with B1 by B2. So, which is not equal with C1 by C2. See, these two values are equal, but here the third case C1 by C2, the third stanza you got 8 by 9. So that is different. The first two are equal. See, the previous one, there you got A1 by A2 not equal with B1 by B2. But here in this question you got A1 by A2 equal with B1 by B2 but not equal with C1 by C2. See this condition. If the condition goes like this, how the graph will be? We already studied that. How the graph will be? Graph will be parallel lines. If the condition is, if the case is like A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal with the C1 by C2, then the graph will be parallel and there is, you will get a no solution. So here in this question we can conclude that the pair of equations is, if there is no solution, what it will be? The pair of equations is consistent or inconsistent? It will be inconsistent. So make clear that if you are getting solution, then it is consistent. If you are getting no solution, then it is inconsistent. So here we can write pair of equations is no solution. So we can write is inconsistent. Pair of equations is inconsistent. Hope you all are clear. The case is different. So depending on that, we got parallel lines, no solution, then pair of equations is inconsistent. So we discussed two questions. The first one is that was consistent. Here it is inconsistent. Similarly, we can do the next second, third, fourth, fifth options also. So write down all the answers. Don't forget to write down all the answers when you are getting time. Practice each question. Practice well. Practice make you perfect. So practice well and keep watching the videos. Repeatedly you can watch the video and understand the concept. That's all about today's class. Thank you.